So I believe everyone is able to hear me clear and loud. Ping me.
We can hear you.
Okay, cool. Yeah. So hello everybody. Today's session is obviously after almost a month. Now we have started doing a little less session, but more engaging. Today's topic is Learn Azure SQL Edge Optimized Data Engine with Built-in AI by Bob Ward. And Bob is the principal architect of Microsoft. More about him a little later in the slide. We have this session with a level 1 certificate, which is like participant certificate as a customary from multi-cloud for you. And we have the supporting document or content, whatever I have collected from Bob's speeches or any free open source content around Azure SQL, which is there on the platform. The link that has already been shared through different channel, either on Meetup, LinkedIn, or from wherever you are joining in. So, good morning, good evening, and good afternoon, because we can understand you are joining from all over all part of the world. For few, it's like dinner with Bob Ward. For few, it's like a breakfast with Bob Ward, and for few, it's like a tea with the Bob Ward. So welcome everyone. Uh, about multi-cloud for you, we stand for evangelism and community. We are a bridge between corporate and startups. Just wait. We are a bridge between corporate and startup. Uh, we bring real engineers out of their bunker. That does means that we connect with most of the engineers across the world, try to engage them, encourage them to come out and talk whatever they can talk publicly on their learning or anything that the community can gain. We guide the engineering community by the help of the engineering community. We do consultancy, community, product, and research, and we mostly play in the area of multi-cloud and data. We do work in multi-cloud strategy, data science and AI, blockchain, extreme engineering, and keep on learning from the community to pass it to the community. We have the impact now. It's almost we have covered almost all part of the world. People join us from all part of the world, and this is that direct data from analytics. Obviously, we are a little heavy in China and India and most of the Asian countries, but US we have a good reach, and North America and South America, and we are also gaining reach in Africa, Australia, and other part of the world. So Fifth IR is a platform which is a SaaS platform where you can anyone can come, build in their courses, bring up their sessions, set up their events and everything, and it actually does a help you to show your YouTube channel as a course content, or you can put your private channel, private videos or anything it's needed, and you can catalog it, search it easily for different content and courses, the technology and non-tech content. Uh, you can start building your event and courses by directly linking to https www.fifthir.com/a, just/a, and you can directly reach to the admin panel, and you can create your account. You can do everything on your own, create your community, build courses, build certificate, and design everything, and run your community, run your show. Certificate recording content for this session is available on Fifth IR. You just have to search Google with Fifth IR plus Bob Ward, or you can simply go on fifthir.com, 5THIR, which is also the acronym for Fifth Industrial Revolution, and you can simply search Bob Ward, Azure SQL, Edge Computing, and you will be able to find out the course or the session that is happening on any time in the future. Bob has 27 years and almost 5 months now. That's what I gained the latest from his public profile. He has been the CTO in the past. He's a mentor, speaker, and author. He is currently the principal architect of Azure data engineering team. He looks after most of the Azure SQL uh, work, and Bob has been working on Azure SQL or SQL Server for the past, I think, from the first version. And it's now Azure SQL, more SQL on the cloud, and obviously the existing version is already there. Bob has been working with Microsoft for, as I said, 27 years almost, and this is his LinkedIn profile. Anyone can connect with him, and this is MS Azure SQL for beginners, where Bob mostly video blog on on the people who need to learn Azure SQL as a beginner, as an expert, or anything. If they need to move to next level, I think this is the best blog for it. Direct coming from the product team, someone who is working with the product team directly. I am Anjani Kumar. I have decades of direct service to the IT industry. I'm ex-publicist RBS Microsoft. I am the founder and principal architect of multi-cloud for you. This is my LinkedIn profile and company I have already said. Over to Bob.
Thank you so much. Let me share my screen out to make sure. Let's see, share screen 2. There we go.